The French model showed off her looks as she cycled around Venice on Wednesday in a black slogan t-shirt and tight leggings. And Thylane Blondeau showed off her natural beauty as she cycled around Venice. The 16-year-old rising star, who has gone on to assert herself in the modeling world, looked effortlessly stylish in a black slogan t-shirt. The French model accessorized the look with a gold necklace and an array of silver rings and bracelets. The French star seemed in high spirits as she sauntered along to Madeo restaurant, a black jacket, leggings and patent boots. But it was her cover for Vogue Enfants at just 6 years old which won over the hearts of the nation. The golden-haired siren brought a vibrant energy to the runway in a colorful strapless gown, which featured a busy pattern of flowers.